welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Getting ready to have 1,700 subscribers very soon. You guys are so super to support me. I really appreciate it. Inching closer to a giveaway. Inching closer, inching closer. Anyway, there will be a giveaway very soon, and it will be fantastic, and it'll be huge and wonderful, and you just have to be subscribed and be around for that video. So just keep coming back. Today, I have my Boxycharm. I'm pretty sure it's the base box. It's nice and hefty. It is October of 2022. And it's about a $30 box with all the fees and stuff. It's right around there. Let's take a peekaboo. Oh, it's got a very cool card. Look at that cool card. And it tells us what is in here and how much it is worth. And I will get the calculator out because I like to know the total of all the goodies. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Because it is the base box. Boxycharm. Peekaloo. I just love having peaks and valleys. And it looks like a really good box. It's full of stuff. First off, from Earth Harbor, the Celestine Hydro Plumping Peptide Serum, which is very nice. Let's take a look at it. No, it's not that hard to open. I just struggle a little. And this is a $45 value. It's very pretty. It's very shimmery and milky. And this is, it says, get that goddess glow by hydrating and replenishing skin with 8 juicy botanical hydrators, including 3 molecular weights of plant-based hyaluronic acid for effective filling of each layer of skin. $45. So that's cool. We always love a serum. Then we have from Toy Factory. Is it a toy? What kind of toy? Is it a toy? It's not a toy. It's a setting spray. And it is a hyaluronic setting spray. And it is sealed. And I'm going to keep it sealed because I have like tons of setting sprays. I seriously do. So it's really nice to have another one, and this is probably going to be given away for Christmas or in the giveaway that's coming up. It's Superset Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. Your serum and setting spray are now one, and the look you just created is going to last all day and night, featuring hyaluronic acid to lock in your color payoff while coating your skin with a misty serum, expertly formulated for all-day hydration and a dewy, soft, professional look. $24. That's pretty good. So that's nice. It's always nice. But what is it? What kind of makeup brand, cosmetic company is called Toy Factory? I don't know. And this is from the Somme Institute. And it's got a big purple dot, lavender dot. And it says transport. And this is 50 treatment pads, and this is Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. Gently exfoliate and treat your skin to take a whole new level. Powered by MDT5, these soft saturated cotton pads are designed to help improve skin tone and clarity with 8% buffered AHA. It gently exfoliates dead cells. You use your skills with the pad to exfoliate the cells. And this is $65. That's a lot. For a company that I've never heard of for some freaking exfoliating pads. I don't know. I bet they're good. And then we have Dew of the Gods Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer. I have lots of primers right now, and I'm using the Ritual Defy Thorn Oil, and I'm kind of stuck on that. So this is sealed. It's going to stay sealed. And it says, breakfast that champions the tropics hit different. Think of this as your skin's morning collagen smoothie with plant fruit extracts blended with dewy milk serum. Tone and Prime, $32. And then last but not least, we have a palette, and it's always good to get a palette in a box. Always good to get a palette. And it's from Ciate, which is a nice brand. They do some weird collabs. And it has a little pamphlet that comes with it. And it says Ciate London Spice Palette. Ooh, spicy. We like it spicy. It's very pretty. It is a palette that I would use every day. It's a great everyday palette. That is beautiful. I'm not going to swatch it because, once again, giveaways and Christmas presents. I can hear my neighbors upstairs going, woo! And this is the $39 palette. Now I have to redo everything because I hit the button wrong. But let's add up this bunch of stuff we've got here. $205 value for 30 bucks, just about. So we've got a palette, which is great. We've got some exfoliating pads. We've got a primer. We've got a setting spray. And we've got some serum. So most of this is very usable, very nice, very, I've never heard of Som or Toy Factory, but Dew of the Gods I've heard of. We've had them in subscription boxes before. And this is a pretty good box. I'm not going to complain about it. And even if I don't use it, it'll be great for gifts coming up. So if you're my friend and you're watching, you may see one of these things in a gift in the near future. All right, I love you guys. Thanks so much for being here. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.